Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla Supercharger fee gaffe results in Model 3 owner temporarily getting $600,000 bill. Tesla's Elon Musk predicts self-driving cars will amplify traffic to insane levels. Tesla ramps hiring for Gigafactory Berlin after securing final environmental approval. And Tesla automatically setting LFP battery charge limits to 100% to prevent 12-volt Li-ion batteries from failing. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. A Model 3 owner in China faced a shocking supercharger bill after using Tesla's proprietary rapid charging system in Shanghai. After receiving an alert on his Tesla mobile app that he has been blocked from using superchargers, the Model 3 owner decided to check what was causing the error and found out that his car had accumulated 3.8 million yuan, or over $600,000 in charging fees. Screenshots shared on Weibo showed that the Tesla Model 3 owner was listed with 3,846,306 yuan in supercharging fees. A look at the vehicle's supercharging history shows that the Model 3 driver has been using free charging miles since September last year. After a charging session on February 27, however, the Tesla app showed that the driver ended up using his car's remaining 2,285 kilometers worth of free supercharging that day. What's worse, the Model 3 incurred idle fees equal to 1,923,720 kilowatt-hours at a rate of 2 yuan per kilowatt-hours. Considering that the vehicle involved was a base Model 3 with a 60 kilowatt-hours battery, the 1,923,720 kilowatt-hours listed in the app was equivalent to the car charging from 0 to 100% over 32,000 times. That, of course, is absolutely insane. Fortunately for the Model 3 owner, Tesla China thought so too. Sharing the Model 3 owner's experience, a group on Weibo posted screenshots of the EV maker's local branch communicating about the issue. Tesla China confirmed that the mammoth supercharger fees generated by the Model 3 were due to an error in the back-end systems of some vehicles. The company is aware of the issue and is in the process of fully addressing it. With this in mind, Tesla owners in China who received strangely large supercharger fees as of late should best communicate with the company. Extra charges and idle fees are things that are never enjoyable after all, especially among those who are very particular with their electric vehicle charging habits. The Tesla Model 3 owner from China's erroneous $600,000 idle fee is arguably one of the largest accumulated supercharger bills to date. While the rollout of supercharger idle fees was reasonable, considering that they incentivize electric car owners to be responsible with their charging sessions, the charges could easily pile up. Back in 2019, a Tesla owner from New York shared with Teslarati how his Model X supercharging charges ballooned to $1,147.16, thanks in part to idle fees. The Model X in that scenario incurred the charges since the vehicle was parked by a valet and was not unplugged despite its batteries being fully charged. Moving to the next update, Tesla's Elon Musk predicts self-driving cars will amplify traffic to insane levels. Tesla may be hard at work in developing a legitimate full self-driving system, but CEO Elon Musk already seems to be looking at issues that the advent of autonomous driving would likely cause. In a recent comment on Twitter, Musk admitted that self-driving cars would likely make traffic worse since people won't feel the physical task of driving anymore. The Tesla CEO initially reiterated the notion that beating traffic is a very difficult task, calling it the ultimate boss battle. Musk added that even the world's most powerful humans could not beat the drudgery of dealing with heavy traffic. The CEO would know, seeing as Musk initially shared his ideas for the Boring Company back in 2016 while he was stuck in traffic. Musk followed these up by stating that autonomous vehicles will likely make traffic worse. Self-driving car will amplify traffic to insane levels as you won't feel the pain of driving yourself, Musk wrote. The advent of self-driving cars will make traveling a lot easier, and it would open personal mobility to groups of people that are currently unable to operate a vehicle on their own today. This should result in an increase in the number of cars on the road, which, as Musk said, will likely cause more traffic. While this is true, however, the advent of self-driving cars will likely reduce instances of phantom traffic jams, which is one of the most annoying things that drivers encounter on the road. Phantom traffic jams are typically caused by bad drivers who brake too late. If there is already a heavy volume of cars on the road, a driver suddenly braking could easily cause several other cars to do the same, causing instant congestion. As it is with other bad driving behaviors, late braking could be caused by a driver not paying attention to the road or speeding. Self-driving vehicles and systems like FSD Beta are designed to follow road rules, which means that instances of phantom traffic jams will likely be reduced significantly when self-driving cars become mainstream. Overall, Musk may very well be right when he predicted that more cars on the road would mean more traffic. However, it may not all be black and white, as congestion caused by human error will likely also decrease with the advent of self-driving systems. Moving to the next update, Tesla ramps hiring for Gigafactory Berlin after securing final environmental approval. A few days after Tesla secured the final environmental approval for Giga Berlin, the EV manufacturer ramps hiring for its factory in Germany. A quick search through Tesla's career page reveals that the company has listed at least 50 new jobs in Grünheide, Brandenburg. The Giga Berlin hiring ramp includes jobs in several categories, like HR, manufacturing, operation and business support, and supply chain. The hiring ramp reveals the job opportunities Giga Berlin has brought and will bring to Grünheide in the future. Last week, Tesla received environmental approval to produce 500,000 cars per year in Gigafactory Berlin. Tesla Giga Berlin is expected to attract other companies to Brandenburg while building its local supply chain. So the job opportunities may grow as Tesla increases production. Tesla is expected to start Giga Berlin operations with the Model Y. It has already started Model Y test production in Germany thanks to a pre-approval. The final approval allows Tesla to continue with Giga Berlin construction but does not permit the company to put the system into operation. Tesla still needs to meet several ancillary provisions to start Giga Berlin operations. Tesla Giga Berlin's final permit included approval for battery cell production, suggesting that 4680 batteries will be produced on site. Gigafactory Texas already produces Model Y units with Tesla's 4680 cells. Giga Texas Model Y vehicles have been piling up at the factory, waiting for delivery. The hiring ramp hints that Tesla is raring to go at Giga Berlin too. Moving to the last update, Tesla automatically setting LFP battery charge limits to 100% to prevent 12-volt Li-ion batteries from failing. Earlier this week, we told you about some new Tesla owners who were experiencing their 12-volt Li-ion batteries failing when the vehicle's main battery was at a low state of charge. The problem was caused by the lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery not being properly calibrated, which would lead the computer to think it still had some energy left in it when it was actually empty. According to an internal service memo, the recommended fix was to simply charge the LFP battery to 100% to properly calibrate it. The issue even caught the attention of Elon Musk, who said on Tuesday Tesla was investigating. After some days, now it appears they have figured out a simple but effective way to try and prevent it from happening by automatically adjusting the charge limit on certain cars to 100%. Tesla is using the vehicle's connectivity to send an in-car notification, alerting owners to the change. It looks like Tesla has updated the message to be more specific as to the reason for the calibration and added a recommendation to charge to 100% at least once per week. According to a Model 3 owner in Canada who received the message, they only took delivery of their car 3 weeks ago and had not yet charged to 100%. This could mean Tesla is targeting those vehicles that haven't yet calibrated their LFP batteries. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.